We were approached by AJ Engineering to come up with a solution for their weld fume extraction. So we came to site, carried out a full survey and basically came up with the system that you see before you just now. The system offers at-source capture from weld fume. These systems are designed to protect the operator. For too long people have been welding without extraction, breathing in harmful contaminants, carcinogenic fumes. We pull these arms into position, they're between the breathing zone and the welder, and all fumes are extracted efficiently. First and foremost, we have to speak to the client. We have to find out what the client's needs, how the system can work for them. From a design perspective, we have to work within the COSH guidelines. So for weld fume extraction, there are specific capture rates, duct velocities, which we have to adhere to in order to offer the welder protection. If you look at this installation, this arm here will have a reach of about 9 meters across this workshop. So 9 meters at 180 degrees gives them massive flexibility. And if we look at the arms on the other side of the workshop as well, almost the entire workshop is covered from 5 points because of the expanse of the arms. Once our mechanical team have completed their installation, we send in one of our P601 qualified LEV test engineers. The LEV test engineer comes in and certifies the system. He commissions it to make sure it's fully compliant with HSG 258. We create a handover package for our client who gets O&M manuals, they get a commissioning certificate and proof it works. That is then valid for 14 months. After a 14-month period, we have to come back and retest the system to make sure it's operating as per design.
We had gone to AMAC probably about a year ago, and we were throwing ideas about. So we contacted AMAC, Stefan come down, spoke the whole thing through with Stefan, and we agreed how we were going to do it, and we just progressed from there. We decided where the filter housings out the back, the fan was going, where the booms were going, where the pipes were running as well. So yeah, it was all custom designed to fit the building. AMAC have been perfect, no problem. They obviously just up the road, so it's quite handy. And they came in, they put the system in and had it up and running. So no, perfect as far as that goes.
I asked AMAC earlier this year to come in and do some extraction testing in our garages and our body shop. And from there, we purchased a new extraction system for our Toyota and Isuzu workshops, and we've been delighted with it, the way it's worked. They came in and they were very prompt in their service, and the prices were also reasonable, and we'll continue to work with them in the future.
They've been a very efficient company, very easy to work with and flexible, work around our needs as well.